All right, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. This is obviously a video where I'm going to be talking about computer shop stuff. So if you don't appreciate that, or you don't like it, or just not the content you want, I'm sorry. We will be back to other things in future videos. But today I want to talk about these. I've been getting these in for like months on months now, and I'm not happy with how they've been selling. If you don't know, I own a small computer shop. These are probably one of my most frequently bought items, and these are X99 motherboards that can run Xeon CPUs. So I sell these kits. It's a motherboard, a CPU. They come with a CPU tower cooler, and then RAM. So these kits are fairly reasonable depending on what you're looking for, that kind of thing, and it's easy to get up and running because you just get it in and you plop it together. Now I've been having a hard time selling these because say I order in 20, and I get 20 CPUs, 20 motherboards. Hold on, get this cat down, get down. 20 motherboards, 20 kits of RAM, 20 coolers, all that kind of stuff. Trying to keep people updated for when everything's going to be in and everything's going to go out. And then, I get 22 orders. It's like, oh crap, I need to order another two, but then I don't get, as much of a discount just to order two. So then let me order, another 20. And then I end up, having too much of an overage for a longer period of time. It just wasn't working. Some people were getting their stuff super fast because, they ordered on like the back end of a batch, or some people are waiting longer. So I experimented with a batch order system whenever I was doing the KS0 Ultras, which I am no longer doing because the price volatility is insane on those things. But I am going to be switching these over to a batch order system. So whenever you go to look at buying anything that is technically a pre-order, it'll be pre-order batch 1, and then the estimated ship time. Or estimated ship date. And then when that batch sells out of those, 20 or 30 or however many is in that batch, there will be a new batch. So a batch 2 with the estimated shipping time on those to better help my customers, you guys, know when you want to buy stuff. And then if you come in and see like, oh, well, batch 2 is shipping, in a couple of days, and they still have some available. Boom. So then I don't end up over ordering. You guys know when your stuff's actually going to arrive. And it's a win-win scenario. That way I can still buy larger quantities so I can get better pricing. And I can keep up with demand as it comes. So when batches sell out, then boom, they sell out, that kind of thing. But yeah, so I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, comments, concerns, all that kind of stuff down below in the description. I also am getting a little bit of a price break on the motherboards now. So I will reflect that in the pricing because there will be new line items for these, and I will have those posted, or you can go onto the website. The website is www.bc-pc.com. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. So yeah. Figured I just needed to make a video and address that kind of thing ahead of time. But anyway, guys, I'm going to jump off here. Was just trying to do a short and sweet video, get right to the point. I think that's everything. Oh. So people were asking me what kind of warranties do they come with. Obviously, these are used Xeon CPUs. These are not new. If you have a problem with anything, contact me back and I will take care of you. But the motherboards now do have a 1-year warranty. So you bought them through me and you have your receipt. You can contact me. I'll swap you out a board and I'll send your old board in to get RMA'd. AKA they'll probably just chop it up and send me a new one. You know what I mean? But yeah, so wham bam, thank you, ma'am. We also do have some new boards coming in, and they have multiple PCIe 16 slots on them. So that'll be good for trying to run multi GPU rigs for AI. That's what a lot of people are using these for, is like AI setups, doing compute workloads and stuff like that. And I am just manhandling this board because this is a dead board. Yeah, it's unfortunate. She's gonna be going back for an RMA. The DOA rate's not bad on these at all. all. But anyway, guys, y'all have a good one. I'm jumping off here. I look forward to hearing your questions, comments, and concerns down below. And other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Adios.